Okay, let's have a look at 5, part A. Given that y equals this, 4x squared minus 5x minus 3, find dy dx from first principles. Right, let's have a go at that. Then I've written it down here. So dy dx then from first principles. I'll write out the formula. It will be the lim as h tends to 0 of f x plus h minus the f of x, all divided by h. All divided by h. That's a bit better. So that's equal to then. So it's the lim as h tends to 0. fx plus h. Well, here's f of x. So instead of x's, we need to input x plus h's, don't we? So we've got 4x plus h squared minus 5 lots of x plus h minus 3. There's our fx plus h minus the f of x. So it's a bracket, and the f of x is 4x squared minus 5x minus 3. Okay, and that would be the top bit, all divided by h. So let's do that then, and that's all divided by h, which equals then the lim as h tend to 0. On the top, we're going to have 4, expand this bracket with 4 lots of, we're going to have x squared, so it's 4x squared. 2xh times 4 is 8xh, there's the middle term. And then you've got an h squared times 4, 4h squared. Expand this bracket now, there'll be 2 lines, minus 5x, and then minus, and the plus is a minus 5h, minus 3. Then we've got to run a minus through these brackets here, so it's going to be minus 4x squared. Minus times a minus is a plus 5x, and then a minus times a minus is another plus, and that will be 3, won't it? And that will be all over h. There we go. So that's equal to then the lim as h tends to 0 of, now what have we got here? We've got a 4x squared and a 4x squared. They can cancel. Tell you what, I'll use a different colour. So that one will cancel with that one. Okay, now what have we got else? We've got a minus 5x here, we've got a plus 5x, they can go. We've got a minus 3 and a plus 3, they can go. So have we got anything left? We've just got these 3 terms left, haven't we? And they all have an h in common. So I'll take an h outside a bracket to divide with the h that's underneath, and I'm going to be left with 8x there. Then I'm going to be left with a 4h there. And then the last of the 3 is a minus 5, all divided by h, of course. The h's will cancel, so I'll just cancel it simply. And now we've got the limit of 8x minus 5 plus 4h. And that limit, that will tend to 0, and it will just leave 8x minus 5. There we go. That's question 5a done. Good.